friends. Today we are going to Avon River in Christchurch, New Zealand for punting. Punting on the Avon River is one of Christchurch's most iconic and cherished tourist experiences. It offers visitors a peaceful journey along the Avon River aboard a traditional flat-bottomed boat known as Punt, propelled by a skilled guide or punter using a long pole. This is our punter, Tikona, also known as TK. TK is giving instructions on the safety measures for the passengers before they board the punt. On the side are the passengers for this punt who are waiting to be boarded. This is Abby, the staff of this punting club, who are letting the passengers get into the boat.
Yeah.
You want to go down to the fourth row?
Fourth row? Okay, thank you. I'm in the fourth row and Sharon is in the third row. And the family of four is in the first row. What's your name?
Mine? Abby.
Abby.
Alright, let's take a wee photo. You alright? Alright.
Yeah, Abby is taking a photo of me.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you'll give us the copy when we get out?
Yes, it will be.
Okay, good.
Punter TK is dressed in elegant Edwardian attire and is gently steering the punt through the tranquil waters, providing commentary on Christchurch's history, landmarks, wildlife, and gardens. Punting originated in England, particularly on the rivers of Oxford and Cambridge, where flat-bottomed boats were traditionally used to navigate shallow waterways. It was used as a means of fishing, dredging, carrying and transporting all kinds of materials. In the opposite direction, you can see another punt carrying a few passengers. When these punts were crossing each other, both punts, our punter TK and the other punter, jokingly wanted to play mischief on the passengers and rock both punts. All of us were scared and screamed loudly. In England, in the 1880s, punts became recreational. Christchurch adopted this classic English pastime because of its own gentle river and strong British heritage. Commercial punting on the Avon River began in 1986 and has since become one of Christchurch's most popular attractions. Today, it is operated using handcrafted punts that create the elegance and the charm of the Edwardian era. The punting ride is quiet and leisurely, allowing visitors to appreciate the beauty of the surrounding landscape while listening to informative commentary about Christchurch's history and natural environment. Each shared tour typically lasts about 30 minutes, with blankets, umbrellas, and hot water bottles available during cooler weather to ensure passenger comfort. There are two main departure points for Punting. 1. Antigua boat sheds. The historic Antigua boat sheds at 2 Cambridge Terrace are the principal departure point. This route passes through the tranquil Christchurch Botanic Gardens and offers views of mature trees, flower displays, river wildlife, and historic bridges. I started my journey from this departure point. Number 2. Worcester Street Landing. A second departure point near Worcester Street provides a journey through Christchurch's revitalized city centre, showcasing modern architecture, riverside parks, and the city's post-earthquake redevelopment. Passengers enjoy spectacular views of several Christchurch's landmarks, including Christchurch Botanic Gardens, Hagley Park, historic Antigua boat sheds, riverside gardens, willow-lined river banks, elegant pedestrian bridges, native and introduced birdlife, restored central city precinct. The peaceful setting makes the journey particularly popular with photographers and nature lovers. The punts are handcrafted, flat-bottomed boats designed specifically for shallow waterways. Their elegant design includes polished wooden construction, comfortable velvet cushioned seating, traditional Edwardian styling, blankets and umbrellas for changing weather, quiet, environmentally friendly operation. Unlike motorboats, punts produce no engine noise, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the sounds of birds and flowing water. The Avon River supports a variety of wildlife commonly seen during the tour, including mallard ducks, black swans, paradise shell ducks, pukeko, gulls, native fish, seasonal ducklings, and cygnets. The surrounding gardens are also home to numerous native and exotic plant species that enhance the river's beauty throughout the year. Punting on the Avon has become one of Christchurch's defining visitor experiences. It appeals to couples seeking a romantic outing, families looking for a relaxing activity, and travelers interested in the city's history and natural beauty. The attraction complements other popular Christchurch experiences such as the Heritage Tram, Christchurch Botanic Gardens, the Christchurch Gondola, and the Riverside Market, making it an integral part of the city's tourism offering. Because the punts are manually propelled, the experience is environmentally friendly. The boats produce no emissions or engine noise, helping preserve the peaceful atmosphere of the Avon River while minimizing environmental impact. This aligns with the Christchurch's commitment to sustainable tourism and conservation. Punting is available throughout the year, with each season offering a different experience. Spring, blooming flowers and fresh greenery. Summer, warm weather and vibrant gardens. Autumn, brilliant gold and red foliage along the river banks. Winter, a peaceful atmosphere with the blankets and hot water bottles adding to the cozy experience. Morning and late afternoon trips often provide the best lighting for photography. In conclusion, punting on the Avon River is one of Christchurch's most memorable attractions, offering a unique blend of history, elegance, and natural beauty. As visitors glide through the calm waters of the Avon River, surrounded by lush gardens, historic bridges, and graceful wildlife, they experience Christchurch from a perspective unlike any other. Whether enjoyed as a romantic excursion, a family outing, or a leisurely sightseeing tour, punting on the Avon remains a timeless symbol of the city's heritage and charm.
It's used only in New Zealand or in...
They're mostly found in Europe.
Uh-huh.
The UK in particular, Cambridge and Oxford is very famous for these boats. You
I
can
see.
hire them out and actually get them to go yourself.
Uh-huh.
They're found in other countries that still have canals, like Holland,
Yeah.
France,
Yeah.
Germany. I have been told they're in Finland as well,
Uh-huh.
but they're still mostly found in Europe. Christchurch has these boats because Christchurch is a British city. So the British people use the same boats that they use in the UK to move
Oh,
stuff
okay.
around.
Nice. Kohan. This is the Kohan.
Yeah, TK for short. if it's
TK for
easier.
sure. And yours?
My name is Chris.
Chris. Thank you, Chris, for
No
the...
problem.
I hope you like this video. If so, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by Satyan Achar. Thank you.